Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AccountEdge software. Review my usage experience. AccountEdge software. Review my usage experience offers accounting software for small and medium-sized businesses. Its main purpose is to help businesses manage their finances, including invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Key features include general ledger accounting, inventory management, and payroll processing. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. It aims to streamline accounting processes and provide clearer financial insights for business owners. AccountEdge positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to more complex accounting software. Their website highlights ease of use and comprehensive features. They offer various pricing plans to cater to different business sizes, although specific pricing details are best found on their website. They claim a focus on intuitive navigation and robust reporting capabilities. Availability is generally worldwide, but checking their website for region-specific details is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AccountEdge. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The initial setup took less than an hour, and the onboarding process guided me through the essential steps effectively. Navigating the interface was intuitive, and I quickly learned to create invoices, track expenses, and generate reports. For example, I found generating profit and loss statements to be very straightforward. The software performed reliably throughout my testing period. I didn't experience any crashes or significant lag. I had a quick question about setting up a recurring invoice, and their support responded within 2 days via email, a pretty good response time. I was really impressed by how customizable the reporting features were. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to easily export data into other applications. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to stick to my desktop computer. It also took me a little while to get used to some of the more advanced accounting settings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with AccountEdge. It generally met my needs and significantly improved the organization of my business finances. That's my overview of AccountEdge software. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.